Hey guys, and welcome to Just Do It Yourself. Today I'll show you how to replace the broken foam beadings of old speakers. In my case, the Haybrook HP8 are broken after 30 years of usage. You see, the foam beadings are really broken. All you need for this is a repair kit, which I will show you later in this video, a Phillips screwdriver, a razor blade, extractor knife or something like that to scratch away the old glue, and maybe some industrial alcohol or acetone. First you have to unscrew the speaker, of course, and if your speakers are such monsters as this one, of course you can work on the speaker body, but if not, you should desolder the speaker and use a little rotary table like I show here, and yeah, you can work a lot more comfortable with this, but I won't use it because the speaker housing is big enough to work on it, so I will put it aside. Yeah, the repair kit contains 2 foam beadings, 1 beading glue bottle, and of course an instruction manual, which is quite shitty. That's one of the reasons why I make this video. You should check the size of the beadings. If they are too big, you should take a pair of scissors and cut it to the right size. First remove all the loose stuff and then take the razor blade or extractor knife and start to scratch away the old glue and foam rubbish stuff from the middle housing of the speaker. And on the speaker cone you should apply some industrial alcohol with a tiny brush and really carefully, because a paper cone will be destroyed if you apply too much. And if it's like here, that the beading is glued on top of the cone, you should glue the beading to the cone at first. If it's glued under the cone, you should first glue the outer ring. Apply the glue as even as possible and use as much as necessary, but as less as possible. I should apply the new beading, center it, and start to press it as even as you can. You won't have any waves or gaps. If you finish this, let it dry before you use the glue for the outer ring. Let it dry for about 20 minutes or so. And check if the cone is scratching to the coil. If it's dried, you can screw it back in place, and now you glue the outer ring because it can't move, and yeah, it's easier than do it free-handed. And again, use as less glue as possible, as much as necessary, and apply it as even as you can. Check if it scratches in any way, and now it's That's a really annoying part, because it's really difficult to press it down really even. Like I said, you won't have any gaps or waves, because that will have a bad influence to the sound of your speakers. If the glue starts to dry, you should use a AAA battery, the handle of a brush, or the backside of a pencil to press it really even down. And that's pretty much it. You should let it dry for about an hour, and after an hour the glue is dry enough that you can do the first sound check. And if you did everything right, it should sound fabulous. I hope you liked that video. Please subscribe and like, and we will see us next time.